what's up, my cool legends? Today we are doing a TikTok trend that's about this nature cereal. And so, yes, I'm on my boat right now. We have these grapes for my little brother. Okay, let's dump in the blueberries.
I'll eat all of these.
Now you go. Okay, now we didn't find the grenade seeds, but we just got the grenade juice. To make sure that's enough. Now we have coconut juice. Now just pour that in. That's not a lot of coconut juice, to really be honest. Whoa, this is starting to turn into like a different color. Okay, just stir it up so it's all nice and good. Oh my god. This is really good.
Bro, why are you eating it without me?
Yeah.
I gotta put every single through.
No. It's not that much coconut juice. Pour in your grenade. This is so good.
Yeah, I poured in more of the grenade.
I rate this a 10 out of 10.
Some of the coconut shavings are gone.
Okay.
This better be good.
Is it good? Okay guys, so this will be it for the video. We were just making this. If you guys want us to do No me gusta? If you guys want us to do another video of this, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, and I love y'all, cool legends.